you go. She said to me on the phone, so tired of hearing all your boy problems. It could be the perfect day, he'll just make it rain anyway. So tired of hearing all your boy problems. Lord, she's right, and I should not be offended. Yeah, I know what it looks like from the outside. I know
Don't let's start. This is the worst part. Could believe for all the world that you're my precious little girl, but don't let's start. I've got a weak heart and I don't get around. How you get around?